Hello good day viewers. In this tutorial I would like to use right angle triangle to create an equation which is a little bit complicated compared to what you are seeing on the screen. So first of all, we have something very simple here, a right angle triangle where the hypotenuse is given as 5 and the adjacent side as 3. So we are looking for the opposite side. This is very simple, applying Pythagoras rule. So it's stated that the hypotenuse squared is equal to the opposite squared plus the adjacent squared. You can take this one to the left. So we have 5 squared, which is 25, minus 3 squared, which is 9. This is equal to x squared, right? We know that 25 minus 9 is 16, which is equal to x squared. So by taking square root of both sides, you have x to be equal to the square root of 16. And square root of 16 is equal to 4. And hence, that value we are looking for, or the side length, is equal to 4 units. We don't have to attach plus or minus here because we are dealing with length. All lengths are positive. So this side length is 4 units. So the question is, what if I isolate the hypotenuse as well as the opposite side at the same time? Can we be able to find them? This is exactly what I mean. Suppose we call this side length y. So we only have the adjacent side present. Alright, we're going to do the same thing. Remember that this side length is 4. So let me clean everything here and start all over again. So according to Pythagoras rule, it's stated that the hypotenuse squared is equal to the opposite squared plus the adjacent squared. Let us take this one to the left hand side. So it becomes y squared minus x squared equal to 9. You should know that this is a diophantine equation. And a diophantine equation is only concerned with integer solution. But also in this case, that integer must be positive integer because we are dealing with side lengths, right? Alright, so both y and x must be positive numbers. The left hand side is nothing but difference of two squares. We have y minus x multiplied by y plus x, and this is equal to 9. Alright, since both y and x are positive numbers, this factor must be greater than this factor. So what are the factors of 9? We can have 1 multiplied by 9, we can have 3 multiplied by 3, but we're not going to consider this because these two factors are not the same. Rather, we're going to choose this one. So the smaller factor will take 1, therefore y minus x will be equal to 1, and y plus x will be equal to 9. Let us add these two equations together. We have y plus y is 2y, negative x plus x is 0, 1 plus 9 is 10. Divide both sides by y, we have y to be equal to 5. Remember that y is equal to 5. Then we can use either of these two equations to find the value of x. Let's use the first one, y minus x equal to 1, but y is 5, minus x equal to 1. X will be equal to 5 minus 1, and x equal to 4. So we are able to find the two values which I have intentionally omitted. As simple as that, right? Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.